What's up, guys? This is the craziest RC video I've ever made. Backflips, tree climbing, speed runs, and more. Let's jump right in, shall we? Backflip. Whoa! This thing's an absolute rocket. Full speed bump. RC car on ice. This thing's a drifting monster! This car's a wheelie machine! This shot is awesome! This backflip's amazing! We are back. I absolutely love this car. It's just so amazing. It runs well, it's durable, and it's amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!